Hello friends, welcome to my classes again. This is the second lecture of my mathematics series and today I am going to tell you the differentiation part second. So this is our question, d by dx of root 1 minus 10x upon root 1 plus 10x. Okay, so let's assume first of all that y is equal to root of 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x and put we have to put t is equal to 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Okay, now we will get what? We get y is equal to root t and t is equal to what? 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Now we have to find dy upon dt first. So first dy upon dt. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2 as according to the formula x to the power n equal to nx to the power n minus 1. Okay, now it will be 1 upon 2 root t. Similarly, dt upon dx can also be defined. So this is there will be a rule of our divide rule, u upon v. We have seen that. Okay, so here we will set denominator, we will set 1 plus 10x of whole square and then 1 plus 10x here as it is, then d by dx of 1 minus 10x. Okay, d by dx of 1 minus 10x minus bracket close minus 1 minus 10x multiplied by d by dx of 1 plus 10x is equal to 1 plus 10x multiplied by minus sec square x minus 1 minus 10x and multiplication it with sec square x. Okay, now in the denominator it will be same, 1 plus 10x whole square. Okay, now which will be equal to what? Minus 2 sec square x upon 1 plus 10x to the power whole square. Okay, now this is our dt upon dx, and previously dy upon dt equal to 1 upon 2 root t. So compare both of these, multiply both these equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiply both these equations, equation 1 multiplied by equation 2 will get dy upon dt multiplied by dt upon dx. So we'll get dy upon dx from here. So now dy upon dt is what? 1 upon 2 root t multiplied by dt upon dx is what? Minus of 2 sec square x upon 1 plus 10x whole square. And what we can write it is as root of t. So we can cancel this 2, okay, and root t we can write, and this is minus sec square x, okay. Now 1 plus 10x whole square it is, and this 1 upon root t, so we will write it as multiplied by root of 1 plus 10x divided by root of 1 minus of 10x. Is equal to minus sec square x upon 1 plus 10x to the power 3 upon 2 into 1 minus 10x to power 1 upon 2. So this will be a required answer. Now go to next question. Now here we have to find dy upon dx, where y is equal to 1 upon root a square minus x square, okay. So here we will assume a square minus x square is equal to t, okay. Then y will be equal to what? Y will be equal to 1 upon root t, or we can say it as t to the power minus 1 by 2, and t is given, and t is, we have assumed it a square minus x square. Now first of all we have to find dy upon dt. Dy upon dt will be equal to what? Minus of 1 by 2 into t to the power minus 3 by 2, okay. So it will be equal to what? Minus 1 upon 2 t to the power 3 upon 2, and similarly dt upon dx will be equal to minus of 2x. Now multiply both this dy upon dt multiplied by dt upon dx, okay. So we'll get dy upon dx here. So multiplying this, minus dy upon dt is what? Minus 1 upon 2 t to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by dt upon dx is what? Minus of 2x, okay. Cut this, both this, minus minus will be plus. So and x and t to the power 3 by 2 we can what? We can write what it is? X upon t to the power 3 by 2. Now x will be equal to what? Sorry, t power 3 by 2 we can write it a square minus of x square to the power 3 by 2. So this will be our required answer. So this is our next question, y equal to cos square x square, and we have to find dy upon dx. So first of all assume that x square puts x square is equal to t, and cos t will be equal to u. Okay, now what we'll get? We get y is equal to u square. U is equal to cos t, and t is equal to x square. Now we have to find dy upon du is equal to what? Equal to 2u, and du upon dt is equal to what? Minus of sine t, and dt upon dx is equal to 2x. So dy upon dx we can find how? Dy upon du multiplied by du upon dt multiplied by dt upon dx. Okay, so 2u, then minus sine t, then 2x. Okay, so now it will be equal to what? Minus 4 u sine t. Okay, minus 4 u sine t into x. Okay, so u sine t will be what? U is equal to cos t, and t is what? X square. So minus of 4 cos x square into sine t is what? T is sine x square. Sine x square minus 4 sine cos x square sine x square into x. Okay, so it will go to minus 4x cos x square multiplied by sine x square. This is our next question. Y is equal to sine root of sine x plus cos x, and we have to find dy upon dx. Let's start. First, put sine x plus cos x is equal to t, and root t will be what equal to? Where we will putting it as root t is equal to u. Now what we'll get? We get y is equal to sine u comma u is equal to root of t, as we are showing above, and t is equal to sine x plus cos x. Okay, now we have to find dy upon du first. So sine u, what is sine u? It will be cos u, and du upon dt will be equal to what? 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2, so is equal to 1 upon 2 root t, and dt upon dx will be equal to what? Sin x, it will be cos x, and cos x will be minus of sin x. Now dy upon dx will be equal to what? Dy will multiply dy upon du with du upon dt and dt upon dx. So dy upon du is what? Cos u multiplied by du upon dt is what? 1 upon 2 root g, in above equation you can see, multiplied by cos x minus sin x. Just put the values. Okay, so cos u will be u will be cos root t, so t is equal to what? Sin x plus cos x. So cos root sin x plus cos x brackets. Okay, multiplied by 1 upon 2 root t. So root t will be what? Root of sin x plus cos x. Okay, then multiplication is with cos x minus sin x. So this will be our required answer. So friends, this is homework for today. Y equal to 5x upon cube root of 1 minus x square plus sin square 2x plus 3, and you have to find dy upon dx. So this was our previous lecture's homework. If you have not done this, this is the question, previous lecture. If you have not done this, and you can do it from here. I am giving you this solution. So here d by dx of sin 2x multiplied by sin 4x you have to find. So first assume y is equal to sin 2x multiplied by sin 4x. Okay, now multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 sin 2x multiplied by sin 4x. So for trigonometrical identity, according to you have to do it. So here I am taking it as 2 sin A sin B is equal to what? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So here I am taking it as 1 upon 2. I am taking first sin 4x first, okay, and then sin of 2x. Okay, so for this formula we will apply the formula for this. It will be cos of A minus B, so 4x minus 2x, 4x minus 2x minus of cos A plus B, so it will be cos 4x plus 2x. Okay, so now the next step we will give half cos of 2x minus cos 6x. This is value of y. Dy upon dx will do it as, okay, half of d upon dx into cos 2x minus half of d upon dx into cos 6x. So half will be same, and d by dx of cos 2x will be minus sin 2x, and it will be multiplied by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 6x. D by dx will be minus of sin 6x multiplied by 6. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled, 2 3 here, so minus of sin 2x. Okay, it will be minus of sin 2x, minus minus plus 3 sin 6x. So we can write it as now like this: 3 sin 6x minus sin 2x. So that's all for today, and if you like my video, then do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon for the latest video.